this is another video to do with speed, distance, time. A little bit more complicated than the previous questions and the previous videos. Right, first of all, reading this sentence, the distance from Allaby to Branston is 45 miles. It's already in the diagram. The distance from Branston to Corston is 20 miles, already mentioned in the diagram. Kathy drives from Allaby to Branston at an average speed of 30 miles per hour. So from Allaby to Branston, 30 miles per hour. Then she drives from Branston to Corston at an average speed of 40 miles per hour. So from Branston to Corston, 40 miles per hour. Work out Kathy's average speed for the whole journey from Allaby, right here, to Corston. Now for this part, I need a DST triangle. The total distance travelled from Allaby to Corston is 45 plus 20 is 65 miles. Speed is what I'm trying to find, the average speed. Remember, from Allaby to Branston 30 miles per hour, but from Branston to Corston 40 miles per hour. But I want sort of like an average speed from the beginning to the very end. So that's what I'm trying to work out. I'm trying to work out S, the speed. And time, this time over here, I need to work that out. Now, in this triangle over here, I've got two unknowns. The only thing I know is the distance, but I don't know what the speed is what I'm trying to work out, and I don't know what the time is. So you can't have two unknowns in a triangle. You can't work with it. So we need to go back and look at the clues that were given to us. Right, referring to Allaby to Branston, let's do the calculation for Allaby to Branston over here. So I'll need a separate DST for that. The distance is 45 miles. The speed is given here, 30 miles per hour. So put the 30 speed over here, 30 mph. So all you're going to do now is divide 45 divided by speed, 45 divided by 30. I get 1.5. So this is 1.5. Because it's got hours, miles per hour, that will be 1.5 hour. Next, the distance from Branston to Corston is 20 miles per hour. So I'm going to do a triangle for this one here. So it's a separate triangle because the speed has changed. The speed has changed, so it has to be a separate triangle, a separate DST triangle. So here we go, DST. Distance is already given to us over here, is 20 miles. Speed is from Branston to Corston is 40, it's written here, mph. So it's going to be a division, top to bottom. So 20 divided by 40, that gives you 0.5 hours. So it looks like altogether, that's 1.5 and 0.5. The total time is 1.5 and 0.5 is 2 hours total time. Going back to this green triangle that I've got here, that I drew earlier on for the entire journey, it was 65 miles for the total journey, and the time for the total journey happens to be 2 hours. So put the 2 hours there. So all I've got to do now to work at speed, the average speed for the whole journey, it's going to be 65 divided by 2. 65 divided by 2. That will give me 32.5 miles per hour. That is the average speed for the entire journey.